Hey guys, progress FS on this one. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell to stay tuned whenever I post a new video. Alright guys, this is our usual weekly gold analysis. Just a quick recap of the last week trades. Alright guys, you remember everything I said in the last week gold analysis. It's all played out. Because I told you gold will remain bearish, that it's going to retrace up to 50% of the previous trend, and as you can see, it attempted to retrace, as you can see from here, but it couldn't, but remained down. So that was the reason why the NFP went all up. We had a very successful trading week. As you can see, this signal, DIX and DIX, this particular one and DIX gave us more than 1,000 pips. Let us go straight to this week's analysis. Okay guys, this is monthly time frame. We have a new candlestick. Remember, we only had a single day trading since this candlestick appeared. So do not be forced to think that gold is bullish. If you remember what I said in the previous videos, I said that gold at the moment is still bearish. Remember the last month that I said that this candlestick will determine what the next candlestick will do. And as you can see, this candlestick, after all the up movement, closed below, because I told you that DIX and DIX have shown price rejection. You know, in the market where there is constant candlesticks coming out and showing price rejections, obviously that the market trend towards that direction, whether bullish or bearish, is already weak. All right guys, let's go down to small time frame to break down the analysis. Okay guys, this is the weekly time frame. As you can see here, in the last 5 weeks, I told you that this very candlestick is still very important. As you can see, it is the candlestick that formed this very key zone. You will also see a key zone here and another key zone at this point. The point to note here is gold price is still going sideways. Alright guys, having shown you the key zones in the weekly time frame, let us go to the lower time frame to break down the analysis. Okay guys, this is 4 hours time frame. Looking at the chart, you will understand that this very shape I placed here the last 2 weeks is the key order block where I expected the price to get to when the price was still at this point. That is, it also formed the external retracement of this trend as at the last 2 weeks. So guys, from the recent higher high and lower low, you could see that gold have already retraced the 50% of this very trend, right? It simply means that the NFP news that portrays the sharp push up of the price of automatically retrace the 50% of the higher high and the lower low of this very trend. It also indicates that the price of gold is already in the premium zone, this area, right? So let's go back to the lower time frame. All right guys, this is 1 hour time frame. This very other block which I told you that is from the last 2 weeks is still valid because the price is here to tap into it. But at the moment, due to the extension of this very trend that was coming all the way up, you could see that having retraced above the 50% and the fact that the area of the S3 retracement is at this level, right? There could be change in plans coming week, but whichever way, this is the zone I expect the price of gold to do this and tap into, and then bearish back. Let us also use Fibonacci trend base retracement to see possibly what to expect. DEX, let's do DEX. Okay guys, we have to shrink and place this here, then this comes down to this place, and this comes to this place. So obviously, looking at this, you will understand that this is likely to be the right area. This very zone is likely to be the right area, which means that should the price get to this zone and start coming back, it's going to first of all retrace this zone, right, before coming all down to retest here or to break this zone entirely. So guys, from what we have seen, I leave it all up for the gold market to decide whether to stop here or at this point. You know, gold can be very fragile. Whichever way, when the price gets to this place, then I will be able to show you the next direction of the market, which is likely to bearish down. This is what you expect in the market in the coming week. Join my Telegram channel if you need the signals. The accuracy is art. We don't trade shit. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not subscribed. Follow me on Twitter, ProgressFS. Follow me on Facebook, ProgressFS. And bye for now.